If you were involved in an accident and you caused the accident, yet you didn't have a valid license or appropriate registration, you could be facing certain civil and criminal liability. If you didn't have a registration for more than 30 days, it's actually a criminal violation that's punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. If you did not have a valid license and it wasn't suspended, just didn't have a license, and you still were caught driving and you caused an accident, you could also be subject to a second-degree misdemeanor in the state of Florida, facing 60 days in jail and a $500 fine if possible. It's kind of important at that point, if you get in an accident, you don't have registration or insurance, to contact a criminal defense lawyer. On the other hand, if you were involved in the accident and you didn't have a valid license, but you didn't cause the accident, you were injured because of someone else's negligence, they can still be responsible even though you didn't have a valid license. Even though you broke the law, they can still be responsible for paying you for pain and suffering and the medical bills that you incurred involved in your accident. On the other hand, if you didn't have a license and you didn't have a registration and you caused the accident, your insurance company more than likely will cover you even though you didn't have a license. But if you lied on your application and said you were a licensed driver, they could actually deny coverage based upon what's called voiding your policy, because you weren't honest with your insurance company when you signed the application saying that yes, you were in fact a licensed driver.